Hello everyone, take the blue color cutting of a dinosaur, make it like this. Now make the thorns on its back, make its eyes, nose and teeth and it's ready. Next take a red color clay and then roll it and flatten it like this. Apply the green color clay on the sides, put some dots like this and apply it near the dinosaur and it's ready. Next, take the yellow, orange and different colors of clay like this and flatten it like this. Now make the branches of the tree, make the grasses like this, make some birds and it's ready. Next, take the wooden cardboard sheet and then make the designs on it like this and cut it out. Now paste it on the white sheet. So here we are making a cactus tree. Make the sand using brown color clay. Put some sticks by tearing it like this. Make their flowers and it's ready. Next, make a moon like this on the black sheet. Make a bunny over it like this using white color clay. Make some stars near it and it's ready. Next, take a blue color cutting like this of a paper on the round sheet and paste the different color papers over it like this and make the frills using different color papers. Make the eyes, nose and mouth of the starfishes like this and it's ready. Next, we will take the white color sheet and tear the paper like this and paste it on the white sheet as shown in the video using different color papers. Draw the branches of the tree like this. Now make different designs on each tree as shown in the video. Make some grasses and flowers over it using the clay. Make some birds near it like this and it's ready. Next, take a sheet as shown in the video. Now take different color papers, tear it like this as we are doing in this video. Now paste it on the sides of the paper. Cut the leftover part from the sides. Now make the branches of the tree. Now take a red color clay and make the ladybird on it like this. Now draw its legs as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, take a white color paper and paste the green and yellow color sheet over it like this. Now make the ladder like shape and make some mountains like this. Make the train over it and it's ready.